We are done with the salespersons, right? Everyone, good morning. Good evening.
Good morning, sir.
Thanks, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Hi, good morning.
Dheeraj, yes, we are also starting the workday classes. That's why. Okay. Workday is getting popular for HCM. We're starting the classes for that. I don't know. Oracle is banged by some company or other company. Earlier, people have banged Oracle. Now it's Workday for the HCM. Even the Oracle is investing a lot of money on the fusion. Lot of money Oracle is investing on the R&D because every quarter releasing new features and then adapting to new tech, new business scenarios and technology stack. But still, of course, I'm doing the pre-sales, right? So we are getting these questions from the clients. Yes, Workday has become a competitor to sell the product for on the Oracle HCM side, especially in the US.
So how's the like app for Oracle? Does Oracle have any app?
Yes, it's having. I don't know on the HCM side which model it is having the app, but for the self-service procurement app is there.
Okay.
Recently launched. That's a new feature. App. For the HCM side, I don't know for which area the app is there. I believe app is there for the employees to book their expenses, I think, because it's required for the employees to book their expenses from the app directly because majority of the employees, they travel, and then during the travel, it's easy for them to book their expenses from the app.
Concur is more popular for that.
What is that?
There is one called a Concur.
Okay,
belong to
Concur.
SAP. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so yeah, of course, the competition would be there in the market. But we are surveying on the Oracle at least. We are surveying because of it's a big giant. It's not easy for others to kill this. And you know the Salesforce history. I think the people who they're from the PeopleSoft, right? Same guy who sold the PeopleSoft to Oracle, and then they started Salesforce development.
Workday.
No, that's
Workday. That's a Workday.
Yeah.
Okay. That guy has sold it to Oracle, and then he started another product called Workday. And I mean, later when Oracle they purchased some company. Maybe they should also take this into consideration. You should not develop any product for next 10 years or 20 years like that. They should have some class in their agreement. And Salesforce is also, they have some relation with Oracle already. Maybe I'm not able to recollect. That CEO is also someone from Oracle itself. Okay, we're already late and we are talking other things. So let's start the class. I know some of you are angry on me. Manage resources, but done here. Okay. Now, this I think I'll explain you the WhatsApp. So adjustment reason and adjustment lookup. So these two, it's actually lookups. Lookup in the sense, when you're applying a discount, you're entering the discount reason, right? A year-end sale or New Year sale or Independence Day sale, correct? That reasons you can create from this lookup. We are applying a discount to the sales order. And that discount reasons you can create here. I'll show you. This is a lookup code. We have to navigate to the standard lookup screen. We can directly search from here. What is the task name? Main is standard lookups is the task name. What is the lookup code? I'm giving the lookup code here, or a form adjustment reason code, FOM. What is that FOM? I don't know what is this FOM. Okay, so here, yeah, you can see sales negotiation. So when you are providing a discount, you have to enter the reason. What is the reason for that discount? Sales negotiation. And you can create that reasons here. And hope you remember these discount reasons are going to print on the invoice also. I've shown you. If you remember during our sales order cycle, in the invoice, we have seen two lines.
Yes.
One line is for the item and second line is for the discount reason. Okay. And here you can enter the reason. Okay. This is a lookup. Now, next lookup is adjustment lookup. What is this adjustment lookup? Adjustment lookup is nothing but you are adjusting the price. You are adjusting the price by giving a discount. That discount is nothing but the adjustment. This is under the pricing lookups. Let's go to the pricing lookups. I'm also covering the lookups because these lookups you will use in the projects. That's why I'm covering these lookups also. If I don't cover, it will become hard for you to identify the lookup name. So you're updating the price by applying a discount percent or discount amount, or you're overriding the price completely, price override. Okay. So you are not able to add a new adjustments here, but you can change the names here. Names of them you can change here. Names. Markup is it's discount is the original amount get deducted, right? Original price get deducted if you apply a discount, but markup is adding extra price to the extra amount to the original price. Markup is adding extra amount to the original price. That's called markup. Markup amount or markup percentage. The name you can change from here if you want. Okay. This is one more lookup. And next to holds. Credit hold, it will be applied automatically. It will be applied automatically, and you know the configurations for the credit hold. What are the configurations? You create a customer profile class, and that profile class you attach to the customer. Correct? What are the configurations? In the customer profile class, I covered this already. So hope you remember high risk, low risk profile classes we configured, and there we are mentioning the credit limit. Let's take we are mentioning 5 lakh credit limit, and this you are assigning to the customer. Let's take customer called XYZ. So if you assign this class to this customer, that means this customer is having how much credit limit? 5,000. And if you are creating a sales order for this customer, if you're creating a sales order for this customer, and system is going to check what is the remaining available limit of this customer. So when it is checking the credit limit, it will check from this customer what is the outstanding payments. Let us take outstanding payment. Outstanding payment means you created invoice and you are waiting for the payment to be received. Outstanding payment is, let's take 3 lakh is outstanding from this customer. 3 lakh. And it's already existing sales orders are there. You create all the sales orders, existing sales orders are there, which has to be fulfilled. Let's take 2 lakh rupee sales orders are there. Okay, totally 5 lakh is already gone here. Then what is remaining for the new sales order? 0. If you create a new sales order with some amount, let's take for 50,000, it goes to the hold. Why it goes to the hold? Because this customer is not having the limit, because outstanding payments are there and existing sales orders are there, and there is no cushion for the new sales order, because if you the new sales order, it goes to the credit hold because of the credit availability and credit limit. Okay, this is credit hold. The credit hold is automatically applied according to this strategy. Okay, but this generic holds we will apply manually to the sales order. We will apply manually to the sales order. Oracle provided some predefined holds already in the application. The task name is main is hold codes. This is the task name. Main is hold codes. I'm not taking class for you this Saturday. If you're having any plans, please go ahead. This Saturday, I'm not taking class for you. Okay. Any plans, please go ahead. Now, these are the holes. And here, if you see predefined checkbox, that's a predefined hold. It's a predefined hold. So a couple of other predefined okay. Let me create our own hold. So we heard this name a lot during the pandemic time. I'm taking that example. So because of the containment zone, we are keeping the sales order on hold. You're not shipping it. Okay. And I'm creating a hold called containment zone. And in this, if you apply this hold, what services you want to stop? Which services you want to stop? No, if you want to stop all the services, just enable all the services for the sales order. If you apply this hold to the sales order, you are stopping all the services like picking, shipping, invoicing, reservation, everything you are stopping. If you enable hold all the services. But if you disable it, you can choose a specific service that you want to block. You want to stop. I would like to shipment. The shipment I would like to stop. The shipment, okay, see here. I'm selecting the shipment task. I would like to stop that service. And this hold can be applied by, this hold is visible to which roles? Order entry specialist role, this guy can apply the hold. This guy can apply the hold. Whoever is having this role, that guy can apply the hold. But release, who can release the hold? Release, the hold can be released by order manager. There is a role called order manager. Understood? So who can apply the hold? The hold can be applied by this guy, and the hold can be released by this guy. If you select all the roles, and everybody can apply and can release this hold. Clear? This is how the holds can be created, and this holds can be applied to the sales order. I'm saving it. And if I go into the system, Here, if you want to apply the hold, whatever we created, we can apply to entire sales order, or you can apply at sales order line level also. And if you apply this hold, it's going to block which service? The shipment. Okay, understood? You're able to do the remaining like a reservation, and that's going to be completed, but shipping is going to be on hold.
Only credit hold is automatic.
Correct.
Remaining-
Correct. These are manual. These are generic holds. We create a new discount reason, right? That's displaying here. Okay. And using under lookup, if you want, you can change the names of these adjustments, like price override. If you want to change this name to latest price. Understood? The latest price. You can change the name from price override to latest price, something like that.
And we cannot add any new ones
No.
here, right?
No,
Only those 5.
correct. Whatever you use here, just renaming them. That's it. Okay. So far I completed these 4. Okay. And you know the credit limit settings, right? To enter the credit limit at the customer profile class level, and at the order management parameters level, you have to activate the credit check. And if there is no credit limit for that customer, what you want to do with that order? You want to keep that sales order on hold. So these 2 settings at the order management parameter level. Okay, this is already discussed. Any questions here?
No.
Okay. Next, notifications. So these notifications are for the customers. These notifications. This is very, very important. During the implementation, to turn off all these events. The task name is business event trigger points. That's the task name. This is the task name. So when these events, when these notifications are going to trigger, all these notifications are to the customers only. So if you put any sales order on hold, a notification is triggered to that sales order customer. If any hold applied to the sales order, that sales order is going to trigger a notification to the customer automatically. The customer is going to receive an email notification saying that, hey, your sales order is on hold. But here, one problem is the from address is the Oracle URL, Oracle application URL. That's where the customer can confuse, because these events are triggering directly from the application. So from address, from email ID is not our email ID. It's the application URL. They may feel it's a spam or junk also. Okay, and not only in this case, if you want, if a sales order is split, you can also split a sales order, right? If a sales order is split, if you want a notification to be triggered to the customer automatically, you can enable it. But none of the clients are preferring these notifications to be automatically sent to the customer. None of the clients are not okay with this automatic notifications. They want to inform their customers manually from their email or Outlook about these updates.
That means, Krishna, we just need to disable that checkbox.
Yeah, all these checkboxes disable it. And
Okay.
also, when you do the implementation, first you do the implementation in the test instance, right? So
Yes.
first disable these notifications in the test instance during the implementation, because it happened with me in the test instance. I'm creating the sales orders, and suddenly customer called our customer care department, the client customer care department, and customer reported that I got one email notification from your site. May know what is the reason for sending that notification. And then business asked me automatically, the notification has triggered to the. I asked them, can you please ask the customer to forward that? And customer has forwarded that email to me. Then I realized that this setup is available in the auto management. Otherwise, I